Today I will teach you how to download your designs in Canva. Now let's go to Canva. So I have my designs already prepared, and now I want to download to my desktop. So at the top right corner you will see share. Now click share and then scroll down, then you see download. From there you will see files type. So you will see JPEG and the size, quality, and then those other settings like how many pages you are going to download it. So on the file type you can click the type, and then you will choose PNG, PDF, or PDF print. You have other options there like MP4 videos, you have GIF. So it's up to you. For this sake of the tutorial I will choose JPEG. And then you have also size, like what kind of size you will choose for your file, so you can play around with this. For myself I will leave it as it is. The quality you will also play around with this. For my sake I will leave it as it is. So you will also choose how many pages you will download. So I have 3 designs under 3 pages, and I already download 2, but I am going to download the last one, which is number 3. So let's go for the number 3. I will download this design, then I will show you the other way around if we will choose all of this file. Now let's download this first, number 3. Now this window will pop up. You will choose where you're going to save your file, your document, and then for myself I will choose desktop and save, and your design is already saved. Now if you are going to decide to download all 3 of them, it will download as zip file. So I will show you how to extract file from zip. So let's go for this one first. Let's download it first. Let's download all of them. Select all the pages and then click done and click download. Okay, the window is the window pop up again, and then you will choose your file locations, but I will stick to desktop. So the design is already saved in the desktop. Now I will teach you how you are going to extract your zip file. So this is how you will extract. You click the file, the zip file, you will click the file and then right click, and then from the options here you will see extract file here. If you choose this one, this will direct you to extract file to another folder, or extract file to, if you have a external hard drive, you will extract file to the hard drive that you connected with your computer. But for the sake of this tutorial I will show you how to extract file just in your desktop. So extract here. I will go for this one. Now you see these are the designs that we have in Canva. So let's open one. Let's open this one. Now there you go. Please guys, like and subscribe to my channel.